Ang araw po, this is Bong Panaligan. Gusto ko lang pong linawin, doon po sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit po ako kailangan magbayad ng $34.95 or 22 pounds po dito sa UK, doon po sa ating monthly subscription po sa Shopping Share Lab. Okay? Unang-una po, okay? Have the mindset of an entrepreneur, Kailangan po kasi dito dapat magkaroon tayo ng mindset, na tayo po ay nag-join sa isang business opportunity. Hindi po ito parang employment or isang job, So this is a business opportunity. Dapat magkaroon po tayong pag-iisip ng isang negosyante. Okay? Pangalawa po, okay, all business owners, okay, meron pang overheads yan. Okay? So, $34.95 po is very minimal po na investment yan, for our business. Kasi po bibigyan tayo ng company ng ng website, and meron tayong online mall na wherein you can have discounts and you can generate income diyan sa website na yan. So it's not an ordinary website, it generates income. Okay? So lahat po ng business may mga overheads. Pangatlo pala, meron po tayo katang okay, focus on the value of the business. Huwag po tayong mahadlangan sa ating monthly fee na $34.95. Okay? That's only a very small amount doon po kumpara sa value ng business. Marami po kami dito mga kasamaan na ngayon po ay kumikita na 500 to 600 a week, dito po sa ating business. So, guys, focus on the value, It's a life-changing opportunity. 1 year from now, 2 years from now, it could literally change your life. So, guys, thank you very much, and I hope that benefits you. Thank you, and this is Bong.